Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Mark Salmon from Education Education. I'm here to recite the poem Rizal. To my muse. The book no longer is the muse. The lyre is out of date. Poet is no longer used. And yet its inspiration now used. With other forms and mistakes. If today our fledges out of verse words still require. Unicorns it remains unsolved, and without it we both require. Why the coffee is not broke. The place of talk is sincere, that our hearts might be. We must say a pen of steel, and with words and lines sever, feeling of earth as this and here. Yes, that in the past inspired you, and with songs of love aspired you. We are to now to God. Today we serve this verse. I must earn the gold that thou must
Anak, tutula din
meditate and struggle on. And sometimes I must weep for he who loves.
Alam mo may bagita di ko.
Great pain has
Pakuntong tanga dua.
Bled are the days of peace, the days of love's delight. When flowers inward peace, and give to suffering souls surface. From pain and sorrows glide. One by one they may pass on. All I love and move among, dead or married, from me God. For all I place my heart upon, by faith adverse are start. Good to amuse other regions fair my heart. For my land but offers are to the laurel, chains that glide. For a temple, prisons glide. But before to live, please speak. Tell me goodbye, voice of life. To calls ever from music, a song of sorrow for the weak, defines to the tyrant's turn.